Is clean data as imperative for modern cutting-edge technology? Or can we make the assumption that AI and machine learning will identify and work around less than ideal data? It's a great question. Let's think about it this way. What does AI need foundationally in order to provide insight and recommendations? In short, the better the data is, and the more good data that can be given to these AI algorithms, the more value we're going to get out of AI. And the more value derived from AI, the more advanced an organization is going to be. So to answer our question, what does AI need to be successful? AI needs great data. In order to take full advantage of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other emerging technologies, it's paramount that we have solid data management practices in place. Data is oftentimes the key point of tribal knowledge that's being consolidated into technology. When we're thinking about data governance and data management, it's important to assess the processes and human interactions that impact the data. Stated another way, data governance and data management can be distilled down into two distinct parts. The first part focuses on your data as it is right now. How are you going to cleanse the data, and how are you going to house that data? An organization may be cleansing the data with plans to continue to use their current system, or the data cleansing effort may be in prep for migration to a new system. Either way, cleansing and organizing or storing data is part one. The second part is the real million-dollar question. As people touch the data, as they use it every day, and as new data is added, imported, and created, how does an organization ensure the data stays accurate? What guardrails are needed to A, allow people to use the data without B, interfering with it, disrupting it, or corrupting it? The data plan needs to have internal controls and guardrails in place to ensure people won't corrupt the data moving forward. There are a half dozen strategies an organization could use to accomplish this, and most of them sound a little easier to implement than they actually are. Examples include creating security profiles to make sure only certain people have access to the data, or centralizing data management so that only certain groups can create master data or make changes to it. But which strategy is right for your organization? Many organizations are turning to partnerships with managed data providers as their strategy to cleanse data, keep it clean going forward, and to ensure their data is providing the maximum amount of value to their organization. So what is a managed data provider? MDPs specialize in lasting data management solutions. From data migrations to data collection to data cleansing, they offer the services and experience needed to implement lasting change. MDPs help organizations figure out how to get more value out of that organization's most important asset, their data. DOSME is an MDP. DOSME helps organizations collect, manage, and integrate complex data, all while simplifying data ecosystems and enabling better decision-making for long-term growth. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to dosme.com/contact.